Hey everyone, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you one of the cleanest and most reliable trading strategies I have used for binary options. No complicated systems, no 10 different indicators, no confusing setups, just two tools, ADX and MACD. That's it. And honestly, sometimes simple strategies are the ones that make the most money. Because trading isn't about adding more stuff to your chart. It's about removing the noise and focusing only on what actually matters. Most beginners completely overcomplicate trading. They set up 5 indicators, then 10, then 20, their chart looks like a spaceship dashboard, and they still don't know when to enter. I've been there too. And the funny thing is, the more indicators you add, the worse your decision get. So at time point I decided to simplify everything. I asked myself one question: what do I really need to know before entering a trade? And the answer was simple. First, is the market actually moving with trends? And second, what direction is the momentum going? That's it. Strength and direction. And guess what? ADX gives you strength. MACD gives you direction. When you combine those two, you get a powerful, clean, no-nonsense strategy. Let's break it down. First, ADX. ADX stands for Average Directional Index, but don't let the name scare you. It's actually very simple. Its only job to tell you how strong the current move is, not up or down, just strength. And this is huge for binary options, because one of the biggest mistakes traders make is trading in sideways market. You know those moments when your price just moves left and right, up and down with no clear directions. That's where accounts get destroyed. Random candles, fake breakouts, no momentum. It's basically gambling. And ADX helps you avoid that completely. When ADX is low, the market is weak, no power, no real movement. That means stay out. No trades, no forcing, no maybe it will go up, just wait. But when ADX starts rising and crosses higher levels, that's when things get interesting. That's when real momentum comes in. That's when the market actually starts moving with purpose. And that's exactly when we want to trade. So ADX is like a filter. It protects you from bad conditions. It tells you, hey, now the market is alive, pay attention. Now let's talk about MACD. This one is all about momentum and direction. MACD shows you who's stronger right now, buyers or sellers. It tracks moving averages and gives signals when momentum shifts. When the MACD lines cross upward, buyers are taking control. When they cross downwards, sellers are taking control. It's basically showing you the battle between bulls and bears. And this is exactly what we need for entires. So now imagine this. ADX says the market is strong. MACD shows bullish momentum. That's not random anymore. That's alignment, that's confirmation, that's probability on your side. And that's where traders start making sense. Same thing the other way. Strong ADX plus bearish MACD, that's clear downward pressure, that's structure, that's a setup. This is why I love this strategy so much. It removes guessing completely. You are not predicting the future. You are not hoping. You are reacting to what's already happening. And that mindset changes everything, because beginners try to predict, professionals react. That's a huge difference. Another reason this system works so well is speed. Binary options trading is fast. You don't have time to analyze 10 indicators. By the time you finish thinking, the move is already gone. But with ADX and MACD, everything quick. One look, you know if the market is strong. One look, you know the direction. And honestly, trading feels way less structured like this. You are not glued to the screen every second. You are not chasing every candle. You just wait patiently for both indicators to line up. And when they do, you take the trade confidently. That patience is what separates consistent traders from emotional ones. Because the market always gives opportunities, but only if you wait for the right ones. Another thing I really like about this strategy is that it works everywhere. Different currency pairs, different sessions, different days. The logic stays the same. Trend strength plus momentum equals opportunity. That's universal. You don't need to constantly search for new secret strategies. You don't need to jump from method to method. Stick to one system, master it, learn its behavior. That's how real progress happens. Most traders fail not because strategies don't work. They fail because they keep switching strategies every week. Today RSI, tomorrow Bollinger Bands, next week some random indicator from the internet on YouTube. There is no consistency, but when you stick with something like ADX and MACD long enough, you start to recognize setups instantly. It becomes automatic. You don't need even things, you just see it and act. That's when trading becomes smooth. Almost boring, and trust me, boring trading is profitable trading. Exciting trading usually means you are doing something wrong. So if you want a strategy that's simple, logical and actually practical for binary options, that is it. 2 indicators, clear rules, no chaos, no overthinking, just structure. If you are new, test it slowly. Watch how the indicators behave. See how price reacts when both signals align. After a while you will notice the difference immediately. You will stop taking random trades, you will stop chasing noise, and you will start focusing only on high quality stops, and that alone can completely change your result. So yeah, that's the strategy I personally use. ADX to measure strengths, MACD to confirm direction. Trade only when both agree. Simple formula, powerful result. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, follow the channel and stick around because I will be sharing more real strategies and trading experiments just like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.